This muscle you guys should recognize from the chest. This is the pecta antebrachialis. It goes all the way to the arm. To see the biceps brachii, you're going to have to actually clear out some connective tissue and pull it back. Okay, and then the biceps brachii will be this sort of bulging muscle underneath the pecta antebrachialis, okay, in the arm. Next to the pecta antebrachialis, you're going to see this muscle here. This is the epitrochlearis. Okay, the epitrochlearis. You're going to have to peel the epitrochlearis back like that to see the triceps brachii on the medial side. You won't have to peel anything away to see the triceps brachii on the lateral side. Okay, but the epitrochlearis is right here over the triceps brachii on the medial side. So let's flip to the lateral side real quick. Now this, and this is all triceps brachii on the lateral side. It's like the dominant muscle here. Okay, triceps brachii. The only other things that you're really going to be able to see right here are going to be the three deltoid muscles. Okay, so this one right here sort of streaks over the top of the triceps brachii. That's the spinodeltoid. Okay, then this one right here, okay, coming sort of what looks like our deltoid muscle. This is the cat's clavodeltoid. Okay, right here. And then what's between them right here and deep to them, this is the acromial deltoid. So the spinal deltoid, acromial deltoid, clavodeltoid. The clavodeltoid you can see on both sides, on the lateral side here, and then also on the medial side. It will be above that pecta antebrachialis. Okay, so it's this one right here. Okay, that's the clavodeltoid. Okay. Now, in the forearm here, the easiest muscle sort of to find is this muscle that kind of hangs off from the rest of them. But be careful, as you can see, even I broke it. Okay, because if you pull on it too hard, it's going to break. But this one right here comes from up here in the upper arm. This is the brachioradialis. And it comes up here from the arm and goes to the radius side. So if you're a cat and you're like this, then the radius is on the inside. Okay, so it goes to the inside, brachioradialis. Okay? Next to the brachioradialis, you have this muscle right here. And usually it sort of becomes apparent that they're next to each other right here. So 1, 2. Okay, and then just follow it. Okay. So this next one, next to the brachioradialis, that's the extensor carpi radialis. Because this is the lateral side, lateral epicondyle, those are the extensors. Okay, and it goes to the radius side, extensor carpi radialis. Okay. Next are going to be the two digitorums in the cat. So this one is the extensor digitorum communis. Extensor digitorum communis. Okay. And then the one next to it is the extensor digitorum lateralis. Extensor digitorum lateralis. Okay. Makes sense because it's more lateral. Okay. The final muscle on the extensor side is this one here. Okay. That's going to be the extensor carpi ulnaris if you're a cat. Okay, this is going to be where the cat's pinky is, right? Okay, so that's the extensor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Now, if I keep going, okay, the next muscle is here. So this is the one we were just on right here. Okay, the next muscle is this one here. Notice that is not coming from the same side. It's coming from the inside now. Okay, so this one right here is now going to be a flexor. Okay, because the flexors come from the medial epicondyle. Okay, so this one is going to be the flexor carpi ulnaris, right? Because it's still on the ulna side. Flexor carpi ulnaris. The next one is going to be this fat one right here. Okay, this is the palmaris longus. Remember I told you the palmaris longus is right in the middle, goes to the palm. And in the cat it would be much bigger than it was in the human. Okay. Palmaris longus. The next one's going to be kind of difficult because sometimes it likes to split into two separate muscles, because technically there are two separate muscles here, but we're just going to name them together as one. Okay, this one right here is going to be the flexor carpi radialis. Technically there's a longus, flexor carpi radialis longus, and flexor carpi radialis brevis. That's why there looks like there's two, because there is two. But you guys are just going to call them flexor carpi radialis. Okay. The final muscle on the flexor side is going to be this one right here. Usually you can see sort of a wall of connective tissue, okay, that just really separates it from all the rest of the flexors over here. Okay, this one right here is the pronator teres. Okay, and it sort of makes this little bump, like this, makes a little hill, and then goes down like that. Okay, that's the pronator teres. Any questions? Okay.